Hello to all. So in this video we will find the steady state error when the input is unit ramp signal, and I will place the link in the description for steady state error formulas and all these things. So I'm directly substitute చేసి solve చేస్తాను. So ESS is equal to steady state error. Okay, this is the formula and it is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into e of s. Okay, s into e of s, and let this is equation 1. Now e of s formula kuda derive chestam last video lo. E of s equal to r of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. And ఇక్కడ r of s అంటే input. So let's see what is input. Input is unit ramp. So unit ramp అంటే in time domain it can be written as r of t equal to t for t greater than 0, t greater than or equal to 0. And దానికి మనం లాప్లాస్ కనుక్కుంటే r of s equal to for t the Laplace is 1 by s square, right? So ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుందాం. So we will get 1 by s square. So simple ESS equal to limit s tends to 0 s into r of s kabatti that will be equal to 1 by s square by 1 plus g of s into h of s. S gets cancelled, so we will get limit s tends to 0 1 by s plus g of s into h of s. S to multiply చేసాం కదా, like this s comes down but ఇక్కడ s tends to 0 కాబట్టి we can write this as 1 by, so ఇక్కడ 0 పెట్టేస్తే it will get cancelled, 1 by limit s tends to 0 s into g of s into h of s. But you know this is a formula enti that equal to 1 by kV. Okay, velocity error constant. So this is one of the static error coefficients. 3 untai static error coefficients. One is kp, kv, ka. Okay, ఈ 3 ఉంటాయి. So this is kv. So let me change the slide. So what we got till now is static error steady state error is equal to 1 by kv. Okay, and మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను steady state error can be either 0, infinity or any constant. ఈ మూడిట్లో ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు. So let's check for what type control system. So there will be called type order. So for particular type order there can be 0, 1, 2. So ఈ మూడిటికి చెక్ చేద్దాం మనం. So let's see, first type 0 చెక్ చేద్దాము. Type 0. Okay, so kv formula ఏంటంటే we know that limit s tends to 0 s into g of s into h of s. Remember, g of s into h of s is equal to, this is called a loop transfer function. Loop transfer function that is equal to constant into s plus z1 s plus z2 so on by s plus p1 s plus p2 so on. So ikkada pole, this is called number of poles at 0, ఎందుకంటే this can also be written as s minus 0 power n. సో ఈ డినామినేటర్ లో ఉన్నాయన్ని పోల్స్, న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉన్నాయన్ని జీరోస్ కాబట్టి సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పోల్స్ అట్ s ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ఇక్కడ టైప్ 0 అంటే n should be replaced by 0. So that will become so this will s power 0 will become like it can be ignored. S power 0 will become 1. So let's substitute here s into k into s plus z1 s plus z2 so on by s power 0 that will become 1 into s plus p1 s plus p2 so on. So ikkada undi limit s tends to 0 undi kabatti this will become automatically ikkada 0 substitute cheste 0 into everything is 0. Okay, so finally we got kv equal to 0 for type 1, kv equal to 0 for type 0, I'm sorry, type 0. So ikkada ess undi kada, like observe this formula, ikkada observe cheyandi. So now ess will become ess equal to 1 by 0, that becomes infinity. Okay, so type 0 ki infinity వచ్చింది when the input is RAM. Now let's check for type 1. Type 1 check చేద్దాం. So similar ga the formula is e of s is equal to limit s tends to 0, or we got s into, actually this is called k, like kv. మనం kv find out చేయాలి because we know that ess is equal to 1 by kv. So this is for type 1. So s into like some constant into s plus z1 s plus z2 up to so on, divided by denominator is s power n. ఇక్కడ n అంతా type 1 కాబట్టి n equal to 1. So s power 1 into s plus p1 s plus p2 so on. So limit, so ss will get cancelled as s tends to 0. So అప్పుడు kv ఏమవుతుంది, s ఉన్న 0 పెడితే k into z1 into z2 up to so on by p1 p2 so on. So ఇదేంటి kv equal to constant, right? So ess ఏంటి 1 by kv కదా, so 1 by constant, right? So for type 0 it is infinity, sorry it is infinity, and for type 1 it is constant. And now let's check for type 2. All right, so type 2 చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. type 2, so type 2 లో ఏంటంటే kv equal to s into k into s plus z1 s plus z2 so on by s plus p1 s plus p2 so on. So ఇక్కడ s కి పవర్ n లో n equal to 2 కాబట్టి so this will be s square, s get cancel. So kv becomes k by s plus z1 s plus z2 by s into s plus p1 into s plus p2. So ikkada automatic ga we will make it as equal to 0, right? So as limit s tends to 0 is there, so is 0 అయిపోతుంది. So kv become 1 by 0 or kv become infinity. right? And ESS equal to 1 by kV కాబట్టి 1 by infinity, that equal to 0. Okay, so these are three conditions for a given steady state error when input is unit ramp signal. For type 0 కి ఇన్ఫినిటీ వచ్చింది ఎర్రర్, టైప్ 1 కి కాన్స్టెంట్ వచ్చింది, అండ్ టైప్ 2 కి we got it as 0. So these are the three different things for three different number order for control systems.